This is a quick demonstration on how to create a chat agent using LangGraph reactive agents and OpenAI endpoints. The project also shows how to access the chat agent through a REST API and how to integrate it with third-party platforms. In this example, I have integrated the chat agent with the Bubble Chat platform. This small to-do agent can add items to a list based on user queries. It also keeps a history of previous chats, allowing it to understand and maintain context. The agent can use the provided tools to add, list, and delete to-do items. It also supports the creation and deletion of multiple items at once. Now, let's quickly look at the code and the patterns used in this project. This project uses Fast API as the backend framework. It includes REST API endpoints with a single chat endpoint that triggers the chat agent. The agent is responsible for handling and completing user queries by interacting with the user. We have a defined set of tools in this example, which handle to-do, task creation, listing, updating, and deletion. Additionally, there's a separate chat history manager. This is a custom-built in-memory history manager without any summarization features. However, in a production environment, it's recommended to use built-in memory capabilities provided by LangGraph or other agent frameworks. These typically offer persistent memory and support features like history summarization and filtering, which help reduce the length of long conversations while preserving essential context. The agent settings, including the system prompt and the model used in this case, GPT-4o, are defined in a separate configuration file. This file allows you to easily manage and update all related settings. You can also switch to other platforms that support the OpenAI response format, such as Hugging Face or OpenRouter, by simply updating the base URL and API keys in the configuration. FastAPI's dependency injection is used throughout the project to promote high reusability and maintain clean, efficient code. One of the most important parts of building an application like this is integrating it with third-party platforms or external websites. In this project, we've demonstrated integration with one such platform, BubbleT, which you saw earlier in the demo. FastAPI serves as the backbone, connecting everything together seamlessly. The app is also optimized for deployment. It can easily be run on AWS Lambda or any other cost-effective server solution. And that brings us to the end of this demonstration. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now have a solid understanding of how it all works.